Hello, and welcome to my channel. I'm Josh, a software engineer with more than a decade of experience in software and application development, including extended reality and video game development. I've created this channel to share my passion and knowledge with you. On this channel, I'll be creating Unreal Engine tutorials, diving into topics such as creating stunning Niagara System visual effects, unraveling the complexities of game mechanics, and exploring a wide range of other game development subjects. Whether you're an experienced developer or just starting your journey, there's something here for you. So be sure to subscribe and ring the notification bell so you never miss a tutorial. And if you're looking for a deeper dive, consider checking out my Patreon. Supporters gain access to exclusive content, downloadable project files, and early access to my tutorials. Before you go, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with fellow developers, and leave a comment below. Your support helps me grow and reach more people, and I greatly appreciate it. Thanks for stopping by. As always, happy developing, and I'll see you in the next one.